let me introduce myself to you. My name is Sharifah Sharfina with NIM 2024-3252 from Class B Information System Major. Okay, in this practicum, I developed a simple stack programming using the Python programming language. This program includes several functions that use various commands. This function is a command to define empty list with the name menu. In the context of a stack, we will use this list to store stack elements. For the second function, to add data to the stack using append. The main function is to add a new element to the end of the list. Then the function is print the contents of the menu list. For the third is this function to delete data. The main function of pop is to delete and return the last element of the list. Then display the delete element by calling the popdata1 and popdata2 variables, and also display the latest output of the menu list. For the fourth is function to count the amount of data by using len. This function len is used to get the number of items or elements in a sequence object, and then prints the number of the current food menu, which is stored in number variable. And for the next is function to check the top data. The topmost element is the element in the list. Since the list index in Python start from 0, the index of the last element is always equal to the length of the list minus 1. The top variable here stores the index of the topmost element of the stack, and then display the top data on the screen. And finally, this is the output that the program produces. So overall, this program is to represent the stack data with the principle last in, first out. The operation of stack data that use are: first, push or add data; second, pop or delete data; third, check the value of data with len; and the last, check the topmost of data. Okay, for the next is queue. I developed a simple queue program using the Python programming language. This program includes several functions that use various commands. First, function to push the queue data. From collections import the queue is a command to import the queue module from the collections library, which is part of the Python library. Attendance, Dequi, Vina, Tati, Syed, Nazwa. This function is a command to create a Dequi object with the name attendance. The list Vina, Tati, Syed, Nazwa is used initial data to fill the queue, then display the data on the screen. Okay, for the next is function to add data to the queue by using append command. The append function is a built-in method of the Dequi object. The main function is to add data or a new element to the right back part of the Dequi. Then the program will display the latest attendance list after adding the element. And for the next is function to reduce or pop left data in the queue. Function pop left is a built-in method of the dequeue object. The main function is to remove and return elements from the left or front part of that queue. Then the program will display the names of the students who have been removed from the queue, whose values are stored in the variable out1 and out2. Then finally, the program will display the current attendance list and display the number of elements using the len command. And finally, the output produced by the program is like this. So overall, this program a queue data structure with operations. First, queue data structure with the principle first in, first out. For the second is append to add data to the back of the queue. And for the third is pop left to remove data from the front of the queue. And for the fourth is len to count the number of data. And the last is print to display the data or output. Okay, I think it's enough from me. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry for my mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.